Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you how to fix a headphone jack. In this case, this headphone jack plays bad quality music because something in there is broken. My friend gave this iPod to me because he had this problem and he just didn't want to deal with it, so he just gave it to me and I found a solution for it. Now, I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, let's see. Here, plug that in. Okay. Got it plugged in, nice and sturdy. Now, okay, I gotta unlock it. Okay, now, let's find a good song to play. How about bass down low? Okay, let's restart that. Okay, turn it all the way up. Oh god, it's playing. Okay, there we go. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now I'm gonna place a headphone right by the microphone of the camera. Okay, let me just put that right there. Okay. And I'm gonna play the video. As you can see right there through the reflection, that's the red recording light. And right by there is the microphone. So it's right there. I'm gonna play the music. And nothing. As you can see, the little blue bar right there is moving, so that means it's playing. And there's no music playing. So let's pause it. Now I found a solution for it. Let's take this out. Okay. I found a solution for it. And that is a Radio Shack headphone splitter. And you could put two headphones in the jacks. And this just plugs into there. It's hard to do with one hand, guys, so bear with me. Okay, then plug it into either one. I prefer this one. Okay. Nope. There we go. Heard the click. Now I'm gonna put the same one right. I'm gonna put the same headphone right by there again. As you can see a little dot right there. Put it right by there, and press the play button.
Bass down low, bass down low, bass down low.
And you can hear that it's playing.
Fast and my bass down low. 1, 2, 3.
Good quality, and it's working. Please rate, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, more tutorials. Thanks.